So in this session, we'll be covering how to create an order and ship it. For that, you need to go to the Orders tab and click on it. If you've already integrated your sales channel, then the orders will directly flow in here. You'll be able to see these orders in this panel. By clicking on this tab, you can determine whether the order has come from Shopify, Unicommerce, OMS, or other sales channels. In case you want to create a manual order, you have to click on Add Order. Once you click here, you can choose to create orders individually or in bulk. If you opt for a single order creation, you'll need to fill out the warehouse information first. In case your RTO warehouse is different from the pickup warehouse, you need to provide that information separately. Then fill in the delivery address of the customer, including the name, contact number, email, and address information. Next, you'll have to fill in the product details you want to ship. If the product already exists in the product configuration, it'll start appearing here, and you can select from here. If there's a new product, you can also click on Create New Product, and it will be added to the configuration. Then you need to select the payment method, which can be prepaid or COD. If you're opting for COD, you also need to specify the amount that needs to be collected by the field executive. Then add the package details. If the package already exists in the package configuration, it will start to appear over here. If it doesn't exist, you can also add a new package. The package essentially reflects the dimension of the package we are shipping. You also need to add the total order weight, which is the final weight of the package. The order channel, in this case, will remain manual, and you'll also need to assign a unique order ID to this order. From here, you can either select to create the order. If you click on Add Order, the order will get created and will appear in the New tab, or you can choose to directly ship it by clicking on Add Order and Ship. If you want to upload orders in bulk, you'll go to the tab. From here, you can download the sample file or template and then follow the instructions mentioned here. Once you've created the file, you can upload it and then click on Upload, and the orders will flow in and start showing up in the new tabs. From here, we can ship the orders either individually or in bulk. If you want to ship individually, click on Ship. Here, you'll be able to see all the couriers as per your shipping rules configuration. You can also see the charge rate and the zone for which we will be charging. From here, you can select your courier and then ship it. If you want to perform this action in bulk, you can select all the orders you want to ship and then click on Ship Order from the bulk action. Once the order is shipped, it will start showing up under the respective tab. Once the order is ready for pickup, it will move to the ship. Once the order is picked up by the field executive, it will go in transit. If it gets delivered, it will start showing up in the delivery section. If the shipment goes NDR, it will start appearing in the Needs Attention tab. If the order goes RTO, it will start showing up in the RTO tab. If the order is cancelled before it is picked, those orders will start showing up in the Cancel tab. Under the All section, you will be able to see all the orders that have gone through the system at various stages. If you want to download the report, you can click on the download icon over here, and from here, you can download the report at the order level or the item level. You can also apply filters as needed.